This is a demo video of the Rayrun HD50 Casambi driver. This driver has an output current from 200 mA up to 1750 mA, and the output current can be configured on the Casambi app, and no need with any deep switch or resistors on driver itself. Now this driver is set to 200 mA output, and let's see how to change the output current of the driver. On the app, make sure the driver is in unpaired status, and from the app we can see the nearby device. There's 200 mA driver here. We tap on this driver and select change profile, and the app will list all the supported models of the driver. So from 200 mA to 1750, and now we change to 350 mA and tap on the 350, select update, and the update will update the firmware of the driver, and now the driver output current is set to 350 mA. Before change the output current, please detach the LED light, or make sure the LED light's rated current is same as the desired output current. Otherwise, if you change to a higher output current, it might damage the LED light. Let's have a look at the basic function of this driver. So basically, it can work as a regular Casambi driver, and you can turn on the light, and make some dimming. So this is very basic function of Casambi driver, and we have some advanced feature like the dimming feature. So when we tap on the on off, you can see the light dim on and off. It's very gentle, very smooth. See, dimming off and turn on, turn off. It's very smooth, and this driver is physical flicker-free driver. So the output current is full-time constant current, and there's no PWM modulation. So it's physically flicker-free without any flickering, even at very low brightness. So let's go to very low brightness and see what will happen. Let's change the brightness to minimum. So it's 0.4, and let's see what it looks like. So this is under paper, and now it's 0.4 brightness, and you can see the light is very steady without any flickering. So it's full-time constant current drive. We also have some advanced feature on the app. So on the app, we double click on the driver icon, and it will open menu, setup menu, and on the bottom of the menu we can see the parameters option. So on the parameter, we have two options: the fading speed and the current tree. So the fading speed will change the on off and the dimming speed of the driver, and let's see what's the option. We have 6 options here. The dimming speed can be changed from direct to very slow, and the default setting is middle. And now we switch to very slow and see how the driver will looks like. Okay, now I turn off with very slow. So the light is turning off at very slow speed and very smooth. And on, it's turning on, but very slow, very gentle. Make it very smooth, and let's see what will looks like at direct. Okay, so with direct on off, there's no dimming, no fading. So just direct on and off. We also have the option of current tree. So open the menu again, and yeah, the current tree we have several options from 100% original to 50%. So the decrement step is 5%, and you have 10 options. So you can set the output current to a lower level than the rated current with 5% step. In this way, you can trim the driver output with very detailed step, and you can match to different LED lights with a little different performance. So this is a fine-tuning of the driver. And now we change to 50%, and the output current of the driver now is rated current is 350, and I selected 50% current trim, and the output current will be switched to 175 milliamperes. So with this feature, the driver's output current actually can be set from 100 milliamperes to 1750 milliamperes with very detailed steps, and make it very reliable for different application. This driver output voltage is from 0 to 50 volt, and it can automatically adapt to different lighting fixtures from this range. So this LED light has 11 LEDs in serial, and the voltage is at about 35 volt, and the driver can control the light very well. And now we will change to another light with only 3 LEDs in serial, and see how the driver will adapt to the light. On every power up, the driver will check the lighting fixture with the brightness beyond 35%, and if the lighting fixture doesn't match to previous setting, it will automatically run driver light adapt process. Let's see how it will work with this feature. First, before you change the light, make sure the main power was cut. Okay, now I changed the LED light from 11 LEDs in serial to 3 LEDs in serial. So now this one rated voltage is about 10 volt. And we can cover, and then we switch back to the light. So you can see in about 10 seconds, it will run automatically dimming up and dimming down. This is a process of checking the lights and adapt to the light. Now the adaptation is complete, and the dimming feature is normal as a regular driver. So even at this light, it's only 10 volt, rated at 10 volt, we still can control it with very accurate dimming curve. So that's the basic feature of this driver.